Grammar present simple tense verb to be。好，咁首先講到 tenses 咧 ，tenses 究竟係咩嚟嘅咧 ？tense 咧其實係講緊動詞 verb 嘅唔同嘅一個形式。咁有 present simple tense 啦，常見嘅現在式啦 ，simple future tense 啦，將來式啦等等嘅。咁我哋平時成日都講一句句子最基本係 subject 同埋 verb 係啦。咁講緊呢就係呢一個 verb 係會有唔同嘅 tenses 係啦。咁我哋今日 focus 咧就係 present simple tense。好，咁我哋睇一睇每一句嘅 verb 先啦吓。咁佢哋全部都係用 present simple tense。I live in 天水圍，我喺天水圍住。They play football every day， 佢哋每一日都玩足球、踢足球。She plays football every day 嚇，她每一日都踢足球嘅。She is lazy， 佢好懶。They are not happy， 佢哋唔開心。好 ，uses 唔同嘅用法啦。第一個 things that are always true， 一啲永恆嘅事實。The moon moves around the sun， 係啦，月球圍住太陽嚟轉啦。She comes from England， 佢由英國嚟。Number two， things that are true now， 而家係啱嘅。Sunny is 12 years old。I am 18 years old。Number three， feelings and opinions， 一啲諗法。I like English。好，喺真正同你溫 tenses 之前呢，有兩樣嘢要同大家提一提嘅。第一 pronouns 代名詞，呢個表請你背咗佢 he she it they we you I。 he 代表男仔他， she 女仔他， it 死物他或者動物他啦， they 他們， we 我們， you 你或者你們， I 我。總言之，你記咗佢先，咁你做 tenses 咧先會即係順風順水啲嘅。第二樣嘢，真正同你溫翻 tenses 之前呢，係要大家認清楚記翻，我哋係有兩種動詞㗎 ，two types of verb， 一種叫做 verb to be， 另外一種就係 other verb。例唔係 verb to be 嘅就係 other verb。舉個例 ，buy、do、think、play 等等。呢啲都係 other verbs。咁咧喺呢一個片裏邊咧，我主講係 verb to be 嘅啫。verb to be 喺現在式兩題裏頭咧有三個樣，有三個變化型 is、am 同埋 are。he she it 個 subject 係 he she it 嘅話咧，我哋會用 is。個 subject 係 I 嘅話，我會用 am。個 subject 係 they、we 或者 you 嘅話，我哋用 are。咁所以頭先咧同你講要記翻個表就係咁解啦。好啦，如果同學唔記得係咩 subject 咧，咁我又提翻咯喎。一句句子最基本係 subject、verb， 通常都有埋 object 嘅呢三部分。個 subject 同個 verb 要配合翻。好啦，咁睇下面例子啦。I am a teacher， 你見到 I 呢個 subject 係配 am 嘅。She is lazy。 They are stupid。 They 配 are 啦。We are friends。 We 配 are 啦。Miss Mock is lazy。 嗱，呢度要留意啦。Miss Mock 呢個其實係 she 嚟㗎，她嚟㗎。咁所以我哋係配is 嘅。跟住 Miss Mock and Miss Lai， 嗱呢度係兩個人啦嚇，所以其實係他們嚟㗎，係 they 嚟㗎。咁所以咧 they 我哋會用 are。 Miss Mock and Miss Lai are clever。 下邊 Betty and I are friends。 Betty and I 其實係兩個人係我哋啦。咁即係話係 we 嚟㗎，咁所以我哋係用 are。 好，跟住 negative 否定句又點呢？咁verb to be 嚟講非常簡單，加翻個 not 喺後邊就得啦。I am a teacher. I am not a teacher. She is lazy. She is not lazy. They are stupid. They are not stupid. 就咁加翻個 not 喺後邊，冇難度。Verb to be questions forming questions 都非常簡單，調位就得啦。將 verb to be 同個 subject 調位。I am a teacher. Am I a teacher? She is lazy. Is she lazy? They are stupid. Are they stupid? 搞掂啦。嚟到呢度做一做練習。I am happy 啦。She is lazy. He is hardworking. They are noisy. Jenny and Sam 兩個人係 they 係用 are。Jenny and Better 呢度 not， 咁所以 are not。Mandy and I 其實係我們嚟㗎，咁係用 are。2C students Mandy and I be not are not 2D students. K be not 係 is not。係咪好簡單呢？咁難嗰個呢，唔係 present simple tense 嘅 verb to be， 而係 other verbs。咁自己呢，再睇埋 other verbs 啦。